Hello everyone. Ever wanted to learn a new skilled trade? Well, I've got some good news. Today I'll give you some details about welding. Welding is a skilled trade that is slowly losing its workers. There's a high demand for welders, pipe fitters, plumbers, HVAC technicians, electricians. There are many job openings than qualified workers to fill them. Many employees are retiring from these positions and there aren't enough qualified workers to take their place. Hi, I'm Heather and I'm a welder. I went to Washtenaw Community College and I got my associates in applied science in welding and fabrication. I love welding so much that I wanted to teach people how to weld also, so I became a professor's assistant and demonstrated how to weld with various welding equipment to students. I loved teaching people how to weld. It inspired a lot of people, and I'm still continuing to inspire a lot of people because I still teach people how to weld at my place of work right now. I have 13 years of welding experience, which is kind of a lot now that I think back on it. I was also in competition welding for a few years and placed second in the state of Michigan. There are many different types of welding to try. MIG welding is one of the easier ones. TIG welding is somewhat advanced but still possible. Stick welding is pretty dirty but similar to MIG, more old school. There's oxy-fuel, which you can weld with or you can cut with also. MIG welding, as I said before, is one of the easiest ones to learn, and you can easily afford a MIG welder, and it runs off 110 outlet in your house. Why welding? Well, it's a trade that is few and far between. You can use it for many things, including just a hobby, or you can make it into a new career path. You can use it as a new hobby for creating things like metal art or anything that you see at any of the art shows. Or you can get a degree in welding and get a great new job. Welding engineers make quite a bit of money, and a lot of people have respect for them because of all the stuff that they have to learn about it. There are thousands of jobs across the world, including welding, and you can even just weld on the job. And I've taught many of my coworkers how to MIG weld within 1 hour, so I know I can teach you how to MIG weld in 1 hour too, especially if you really want to do it. And most people were pretty successful with it. A couple reasons to try. You can make various art, like that bird in the corner there. You could do MIG welding on it, or TIG welding, or even oxy-fuel with that. Or you could make really pretty welds on 1-inch plate for a living. You can work in the union, and it gives you job security that way. Once you get your welding degree, or even go into the union, you don't even need a degree for the union, you just have to be really good at welding. You can have various jobs, such as a welding engineer, and that's just the median salary, so it only goes up from there. I considered being a certified welding inspector, which they make about $61,000 a year, so that's pretty good. And it was just a lot harder than I anticipated it being, but I could still do it if I wanted to. You could do quality control, which you still make quite a bit of money doing that, or even a quality manager, making sure all of the welds in your business are qualified or passing. So all in all, this is just the median of it, and you can make a ton of money with any welding job. More reasons to try. There's an increase in job openings from all the people who are retiring. Jobs are easily obtainable with some experience, and especially if you're in the union, you have job security and you learn as you go in the union. So that's another good way to do it. Skilled trades aren't as common in individuals, and we need more of them. So I hope you learned a lot. I hope you are more interested in welding. And if you are, please contact me because I'm willing and able to help you learn and help you get started on this. So please contact me if you have any more questions. I'm willing to help you learn this new trade by any means possible. Thanks.